Hey Boos, David here. So many of you have asked, what does Jarell eat if I'm doing Nutrisystem? And the answer is, I still cook for him. Jarell is on his way home, so if you are interested in knowing how to make a delicious and healthy taco soup in under 10 minutes, stay tuned to the next episode of Booze Cruise.
Hi, I'm Jarell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Here's what you'll need. A pound of ground turkey, which we're doing turkey, you could do beef or whatever you would like. 2 packets of taco seasoning because I like it seasoned. We can't have no bland soup around here. 2 cans of black beans. These will be drained and rinsed. 1 can of super sweet corn and the juice because there's a lot of flavor in there. A box of chicken broth or chicken stock, and tomatoes and green chilies or rotel, depending on what your grocery store calls it, and of course garlic and other seasonings to taste. Now all of this is going to go in our crock pot and it's going to be done in no time. In fact, under 10 minutes to prepare. Alright guys, so now everything goes into the crock pot. I have a crock pot liner on because I am not a fan of cleaning this crock pot every time, but you have your ground beef and your garlic. And I'll, again, add as much of this as you like. We have our black beans. Again, these have been drained. And you have your sweet corn with the juice. Hopefully you guys can see that. You have your diced tomatoes with green chilies. And you have onions, because you need onions. Now these are frozen onions because onions and chopping and tears are not my favorite thing in the world. And then you have chicken stock, and that goes right over the top to fill all that in. And you can see this makes a giant pot of soup. I didn't even have to use all of that, but it's not taco soup without your taco seasoning. So we have 1 packet, we have 2 packets, and knowing me, I will probably add some hot sauce in here because, you know, it's necessary. But we're gonna set this on high for 4 hours, and all you needed to do is warm up because it's all cooked, and then it will be ready for Jarell when he gets home. All right, now place the lid on, turn on your crock pot, and set it on high for 4 hours, and you are done. That took me literally minutes. All right, guys, 4 hours have passed, and this is what it looks like. It looks really good. You see the corn, the black beans. It's spicy and delicious, and it only took about 10 minutes to put together. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we will talk to you soon. We love you guys.